y'all, this is Kelly with Southern Scrapbooking and Crafts, and I was here today to bring you a little tutorial project on a chapstick holder. Things that you may need will be a chapstick, of course, a bone folder, some double-sided tape, some ribbon, some scissors, a piece of acetate, and then I have a Cricut file for this project. I'll give you measurements and then you can cut it out and do with it how you like. But I have the Cricut file and you are more than welcome to have it. I'll post it, the link for it for my Cricut down below, or I'll find a way to get it to you. If you leave a comment that you would like the file. So first off, we're going to need is this part. And it measures, let me see if I can get you, let's see, it says, it's almost a 6 3/4. It's just about an 1/8 inch shy. You probably cut it at 6 3/4 if you'd like to. And then it measures 5 inches wide. Then you have to cut the little window out. And you can use, if you have the rectangle dies for Cuttlebug or Big Shot or one of the die cutting machines, it's those. I thought I had the measurements, but apparently I don't. I want to say, let me see here. Yeah, I think it's 2 7/8. No, that can't be right. Well, it's big enough to fit this acetate window. Once you make the acetate box that goes inside, you probably can figure out how big of a square you need with your die cut. Then you have this centerpiece that goes to it. And then you're going to have this little rectangle that goes on the outside. So, first of all, we need to do our acetate. And I have that here. I'm going to put this up here, and on the, we're going to cut this at 2 5/8 by 4 7/8. And then we're going to score on the short side. So on your 2 7/8, you want to score it at 3/8. And it's tricky because it slides. Just do the best that you can. And at 1 inch, 1 5/8. And 2 1/4. And then you want to turn that around, and on your long side you want to score at 3/8. I'm trying to get my finger in here without blocking everything. 3/8. 1 inch. 3 7/8. And then 4 1/2. And after you get that scored, you need your scissors. And I had mine, and now there they are. And you're going to cut, I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's going to be 4 little squares. You got this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here. You want to leave this center tab that runs along the center. You want to leave that. So you want to cut this out. So, and do that on all 4 sides. I've been seeing these around Pinterest and YouTube. There's several different ways to do it, but this is the way I came up with. And that's that. Then what you want to do is you want to fold the 3/8 ones. Well, you can fold your inside ones first. That's a little bit easier. Just fold those. And then fold these ones in. This one in. Try to get that straight. And burnish it down with your bone folder if you need to. And then the outside tabs, you're going to go opposite. I'm going to go out. If I can see my line. There it goes. Okay. And that is your box. Now we're going to put together, and mine still has the film on it, so you need to go ahead and remove your film. I kind of left it on there. It was easier to see, but I have one already made. So you're going to go in here, and there's score marks on the Cricut file. So you just need to go in here and find your score lines, which on mine, it apparently did not score. So if it didn't score, we'll do the alternative. We'll just go about 1.5. And I'm not a stickler on which way my paper goes for these. And then on the bottom here, to do it. Well, you don't have to, it'll fold up. Before I do that, I'm going to take and cut just a little wedge off of these. Right here. That's that. Okay. And move all this stuff out of the way. We're done with this scoreboard. Alright. Now we can start to assemble. Okay. Now we can fold it over. And you see this one's just going to fold like so. If you can get it straight. And this is going to go inside of here. So I'm going to line it up as best as I can center. And I'm going to get some double-sided score tape. I'm going to put it on this side. And then this side here. And for mine, I just put it up to that little notch. And then here at the bottom. There's my score tool. And I'm going to burnish that tape down real good and get out all those air bubbles. And now I'm going to peel this tape off. I can usually get this off like nobody's business, but you go on camera and guess what? You can't peel nothing. Alright, now I'm going to line that up as best as I can. Stick it down. Do the same. Well, no, let's not do that yet. Let's hold up a minute. We have to put our little window in. I used the little bubble one before that I had pre-made. This I have some 1/8 inch score tape. And I'm going to go ahead and put this around the edge. Cut that off there. so. Burnish. And now, once again, I usually don't have a problem. What is it being a bugger? There it goes. Okay, you want to get your window in there. It's going to be a snug fit, but you need it to be. And then I'm just going to push it down. Line it up. Get those folds out there where they belong. Give it a good squish. Like so. Then you have your little frame you can put on there. You can either use glue or tape. I'm just going to use tape for right now to get it done a little faster. Make sure you have you in frame here. Just go around it. If your tape don't want to cooperate, rip it off. Like so. A good rub. Get that air out of there. I don't know why I'm having a time with this tape today. Try not to touch it. Oops, I'm sorry about that drop. There we go. Put this back over here. Kind of line it up even as you can. Give it a good squish. Okay, now we can go ahead and put this here. Take that tape off. Better luck with my nail than I do. And you're gonna fold this kitchen frame, fold that over, and give it a good squish. And the bottom, just fold it over. There you go. Now you can go through and give it a good burnish. Okay. So that is that. And then if you'd like, you could poke a hole in the top and tie a ribbon, or you can leave it just plain. I'm just going to leave mine plain. And you just pop it open. Put in your chopstick. This one is just a little bit, I think, smaller than a regular chopstick. And then if you want, you can decorate it however you would like. You can put ribbon on there, make a little bow. Just make a little bow. Bows are not my thing, so I'll try. Oop. Put your bow where you like it, and you could put a bow up here. You could make a tag add it to it or however you would like. So that is all I have today, is the little chopstick holder. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you make it. If you make it, I'd like to see it if you want to post it. I will put the link in the description box of my Facebook. I have a group. I made a group over there. So if you just to share photos, that's all it's for, is to share what you've made. And that's it. It's about all it's for. So give us a thumbs up and hit your notification bell so you know when I upload another video, which I'm hoping will be soon. I'm trying to work on the tutorial for the scrapbook, and I'm hoping to get that up soon, at least part of it. I had to wait on video equipment to come in, and that's what I've been waiting on. It came in today, so that's why I haven't posted anything lately, and I wanted to get this one out because a couple people were asking where I had got, how I did it, and I'd sent it, I showed it in my swap for my swap partner. So that's how it's done. And if you want the file, I'll leave a link. Or, you know, if you want, you know, leave a comment and I'll try to get it to you, either, you know, email or Facebook, or one way or another. We'll get it to you. So everybody have a great day. Like, subscribe. If you have any comments, concerns, or questions, leave them down in the comments below. And I thank you so much for joining me today. And y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.